You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. If you want to learn more confusing names from science, including the periodic table, more elements, chemical elements, stay tuned. There are many more videos for you. Chalcogens, that's the plural. Chalcogens, there's a group of 16 elements. Stress on the first syllable, so it's not chalk. No, nothing to do with chalk, right? Chalcogens, English pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.